1945, engineer Percy Spencer was working with radar, which was so important for winds war. Standing next to a magnetron, he reached into his pocket and found a chocolate bar that had melted. A chocolate bar that would change the world forever. He began his experiments. He brought corn kernels to the device. It began to explode. Later, he created the world's first microwave oven. It almost 2 meters tall and weighs 300 kilograms. Cost as much as a car. At first, it was installed in restaurants. And nowadays, almost every kitchen has a microwave oven.